You act like you have forever. You don't. Every second you waste is gone. It is never coming back. Marcus Aurelius said it best. You could leave life right now. Yet here you are, waiting, hesitating. Laziness is not rest. Laziness is a slow death. It is time to wake up. Here are 7 Stoic rules to destroy your laziness. Rule 1. Focus on the immediate. Stop looking at the mountain. Look at the step in front of you. Anxiety comes from looking too far ahead. Laziness comes from being overwhelmed. The Stoics believed in the now. Forget the next year. Forget the next hour. Just do the next task. Conquer the moment. Then do it again. Rule 2. Do your duty. You were not born to sleep. You were not born to seek pleasure. You were born to work. A bee makes honey. A man does his duty. When you struggle to get out of bed, tell yourself this: I am rising to do the work of a human being. Don't complain. Just do your job. Rule 3. Memento mori. Remember, you will die. This is not morbid. It is fuel. Imagine this is your last day on earth. Would you spend it scrolling? Would you spend it lying on the couch? No, you would live with urgency. Treat every hour like it is your last, because one day, it will be. Rule 4. Voluntary hardship. Comfort is the enemy. It makes you soft. It makes you weak. Seneca practiced poverty to appreciate wealth. You must practice hardship to kill laziness. Take a cold shower. Fast for a day. Wake up before the sun. Train your mind to love the struggle. When the hard work comes, you will be ready. Rule 5. The obstacle is the way. You think the problem is stopping you. No, the problem is the path. Tired? Good. Train your willpower. Bored? Good. Train your focus. Failed? Good. Learn the lesson. Stop wishing things were easier. Start wishing you were better. Use the resistance to build your strength. Rule 6. Be your own tyrant. Be strict with yourself. Be tolerant of others. Most men are slaves to their impulses. They feel hungry, they eat. They feel tired, and they sleep. Do not be a slave. Be the master. Command your body. If your mind says, work, your body must obey. No negotiation. Rule 7. Amor fati. Love your fate. Don't just accept it. Love it. Everything that happens is fuel for the fire. Laziness comes when you wish reality were different. Accept where you are. Accept the work that is needed. Throw your excuses into the fire. Watch them burn. Then get to work. Laziness is a choice. Discipline is freedom. No one is coming to save you. You must save yourself. The clock is ticking. Get up. Subscribe for strength. And go do the work.